In this lesson we're going to look at commission and how to calculate it. Now, commission is usually a payment applied to salespeople. So you get a fixed percentage of the amount you sell, and that usually gets added on to your normal salary. So it's basically an incentive scheme to make you sell more, for the company to get more out of you basically. So let's look at how to calculate this. I suppose basically that's a telephone assistant there. They can sell over the phone, the car salesman, door-to-door salesman. So there's a variety of ways to sell and get commission bonuses. Right, let's look at two examples. We've got Pedro here. He gets a basic pay of £850, so if he sells nothing he still gets £850, and his commission is 2.5% of everything he sells. So as long as you can work out the percentage using a calculator and then do an add and sum, you can work out what Pedro gets altogether. So if you look at the calculation, basically you're taking your £850 and you're adding on 2.5% of 15620. Now you can work at that out separately. You can do 2.5 divided by 100 times 15620 and then add it on. I've just done it all in the same calculation basically. Divide by 100 times that. Okay, and that comes to £1240.50. If you do this bit separate and then add some, that's absolutely fine. Okay, same with Steve. Let's look at Steve. He gets a basic salary of £1,000, but his commission is only 1.5% of his sales. It's really important you understand the commission is a percentage of the sales and not the basic pay. So he's getting £1,000 and he's getting 1.5% of the sales value. Again, if you want to do that calculation at the side and bring it back in, divide by 100 and times by this, or divide this by 100 and times by 1.5. I don't really mind how you do it. So that looks like that. If you type it into your calculator, get your answer. The total comes to £1,282.15. And that's really how to work out commission and add it onto your basic salary. Just work out percentage to an add sum. And you don't need to set it out like this.